Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about composing and regrouping numbers. In this lesson, you will learn how to get two groups of objects or numbers that count up to 5 or 10 or up to a given number. Are you ready? Teacher Beth asked her students to look for 5 objects of the same kind in the classroom. Lester showed 5 erasers to his classmates, 2 erasers and 3 erasers. 2 and 3 is 5. Lance gathered 5 pencils, 4 yellow pencils and 1 black pencil. 4 and 1 is 5. Lay collected 5 red sharpeners. There are no other sharpeners. 5 red sharpeners and no other sharpeners. 5 and 0 is 5. In the given illustrations, we compose 5 in 3 ways. 2, 3. 2 and 3 is 5. 4, 1. 4 and 1 is 5. 5, 0. 5 and 0 is 5. Making a number out of 2 numbers is called composing a number. Use the illustrations to compose a 10. Let's count the first set of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. And the second set, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 6 and 4 is 10. Use the illustrations to compose a 10. Let's count the first set of objects. 1, 2. There are 2 cakes. And the second set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cakes in the second set. 2 and 8 is 10. Give other ways to compose a 10. These are some of the possible ways to compose a 10. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 and 0 is 10. 7 and 3 is 10. We are ready to compose any number. Let us have one example for each number. Compose a 6. 2 and 4 is 6. Compose a 7. 4 and 3 is 7. Compose a 8. 5 and 3 is 8. Compose a 9. 7 and 2 is 9. If we count many objects and the count reaches up to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, then we get big numbers. A fast and easy way to compose big numbers is to regroup them into tens and ones. Examples. Let's count the roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 roses. Let us now regroup the roses into tens and ones. For the first set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 roses for the first set. And for the second set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 roses in the second set. So we have 10 and 5 is 15. Let's have another example. Let's count the books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 books. Let us now regroup the books into tens and ones. For the first set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 books in the first set. And for the second set, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 books for the second set. So we have 10 and 3 is 13. Let's have another examples. Compose the given numbers using tens and ones. For the first one, blank and blank is 14. So we can say that 10 and 4 is 14. For the second example, blank and blank is 16. So we can say that 10 and 6 is 16. And for the last one, blank and blank is 18. We can say that 10 and 8 is 18. Always remember that there are different ways to compose a 5 or a 10 or any other given numbers. It is easy to compose a big number by regrouping it into tens and ones. Compose a 5 in all possible ways. Start from 0. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 0 and 5 is 5. Number 2, 1 and 4 is 5. Number 3, 2 and 3 is 5. Number 4, 3 and 2 is 5. Number 5, 4 and 1 is 5. And number 6, 5 and 0 is 5. Compose a 10 in all possible ways. Start from 0. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 0 and 10 is 10. Number 2, 1 and 9 is 10. Number 3, 2 and 8 is 10. Number 4, 3 and 7 is 10. Number 5, 4 and 6 is 10. Number 6, 5 and 5 is 10. 7. 6 and 4 is 10. Number 8. 7 and 3 is 10. Number 9. 8 and 2 is 10. And number 10, 9 and 1 is 10. Compose the given numbers using tens and ones. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 10 and 5 is 15. Number 2, 10 and 7 is 17. Number 3, 10 and 9 is 19. Number 4, 10 and 2 is 12. Number 5, 10 and 8 is 18. And number 6, 10 and 1 is 11.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.